How to fill out Form SSA-1724-F4. How to get a Social Security statement for a deceased parent. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. When a family member receiving Social Security payments passes away, family members are often responsible for settling all the financial and legal issues of the deceased. Payments may be paid to the next of kin or to the legal representative of the person who died. The first step to receiving these payments is to fill out Form SSA-1724-F4. To complete this form, the applicant needs to fill out certain fields like information about the deceased, information about the applicant, number of living children, signatures, and other relevant information. PDF Filler helps you file forms and sign them online. You can easily share, print, or email your completed form SSA-1724-F4. If you work with PDF documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try PDF Filler for a period of 30 days absolutely for free. Use PDF Filler to modify your document's content, type or erase text, highlight important information, black out sensitive data, add sticky notes, images, and so on. In addition to editing PDFs online, you can print out a completed document or save it to your device as a PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or JPEG file. Send it via email, fax, SMS, or USPS. Post your document online, share it via direct link, or send your PDF for signature to one or several recipients. Hurry up to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments section if you have any questions.